You can see this is a breeze, a very small breeze, but very beautiful. This breeze, you can see. And today I have come a very beautiful place where there are many things, where there are different type of thing. That's why many of people come here to spend time. Actually, you can see looking very beautiful around here, and scenery also amazing, mind-blowing nature. Actually, you can see different type of fruit tree or flower tree available here, and you can see there is a river around here, and many ships coming and going on the river, and many of people traveling on the ship. You can see many of ships available on this river, and different countries people come here to travel on these ships. So very beautiful moment. People spend some time when they journey, when they have a beautiful moment. It may be traveling ship or walking around here. You can see very beautiful places around here. So actually today we have come here to have a very beautiful moment where we are walking now. Consider there are different type of shop and different type of thing you can see, and there are food shop, a different type of food shop, and a cloth shop, and around here you can see many people coming and going. You can see, and there are many restaurant, many food shop, and electric shop, plastic, etc. available here. So we come here to go a place, and now we are spending time, and we are just enjoy. That's why we are going another place. Hello guys, you can see now we are walking on the river bank, and there are different type of trees, and you can see there is a very beautiful trees, and there are different type of flower around here, different type of building around here, you can see. And I have my friend with me, so today we want to spend a very beautiful moment. That's why we have come here to enjoy and to spend some time, and many people also come here to spend time. And you can see there is a river, very beautiful river, and different countries people, different religions people come here to spend time, to enjoy, to visit this place. You can see actually this place is mind blowing, you can say, or This place is very perfect for visit, and you can see there is a ship, and many people are enjoying on the ship, and a different type of ship. Many of ship available on this river, and so I have reached a very beautiful place. You can see this place is very perfect place for spend time. So today I will show you environment here. You can see very beautiful. You can see there are many people has crowded on this area, and there are church, and there is a clock tower, and there is a uh, museum, and guys, I will go on this place after a while. Now we will eat some food, delicious food, and we will show you environment here after a moment. Today uh, we are spending time, and you can see there are many food shop, different type of food shop you can see, and now we are going to eat some food.